Hello everyone, welcome to another crypto cult video, and this video is a little bit special because we are starting the 100-day 100 airdrop challenge. A lot of you people don't want huge airdrops, you want small airdrops that make you consistent money, $100 to $200. We were doing that on Telegram, but we are now officially launching it as a 100-day 100 airdrop challenge. So if you want to follow along, make sure to join our Telegram channel. We will be covering some of those airdrops on video too, like today. So today we will be covering two projects funded by Binance and two good airdrop opportunities. The total cost for this will be around $1.5. So I think everybody can afford that. The steps are very simple. So let's just go to the screen and get started. So the guide for this is in our community post. It's the one with this image. So first we need to go and mint a BABT token. So for that, go to your Binance account, go here and you will find BABT here. If you are using mobile, just click on search and write BABT. Here you need to connect your wallet. Let's connect our wallet. So I'll connect my MetaMask wallet. Click on next and connect. Next we need to sign the message. Click on sign and now we can get the BAB token. So get BAB token. Now you need to pay 1 BUSD. So click on confirm and the transaction is successful. Click on OK. The mint request is now in progress. After you have minted a BABT token, you need to go to SECONDLIVE. For SECONDLIVE, use the link in the comment. This is the link. This is the referral ID. If you want to use my referral, just click here, go to SECONDLIVE and register. You register with your own wallet. That's what I'm going to do. Then you need to download their app and log in there also. And then we need to complete some tasks to get reward. So click on go, or you can just go to earn and go to bounty. Once you are there, you will find a lot of tasks that you can do. But first we need to go and claim the BABT task. So click on BAB token holder bean reward. Click on claim and then confirm with the same MetaMask wallet you minted your BABT token with. It will cost you around $0.0027. Wait for the confirmation. Once it's done, add bean to wallet and that's it. You can complete all these tasks. It's recommended that you earn at least 500 bean tokens. After this, let's do the last task, that is connect your wallet and mint a WEB3GO profile. So the link for WEB3GO is in the description again. So just click here. You will directly get an option to mint passport. You can click mint. If you don't get the option, on the top right you will find talk to Lumi button. Just click that. Click on mint. If you've done both the tasks I mentioned before this, your wallet should be whitelisted and now you can confirm. It will cost you $0.1. So total cost is less than $2 right now. And that should be it. Now your passport is ready and you can collect gold leaves. Here you will find a lot of tasks again. And you can complete these tasks and collect your gold leaves. Again, the more you connect, the higher chance you will get good airdrop. Next, go back to SECONDLIVE and here go back to earn and go to staking. On staking, you will find that there are 20 locked bean. If you go to question, you will find that it unlocks between 8 AM to 10 AM UTC every Monday. And these beans you can go and claim, and these beans are expected to be the tokens that you can sell. They will be listed on Binance later. So these were 3 easy steps that you needed to do. If you have problem with any of the steps, you can contact us on Telegram. Also let us know how do you like the idea of 100 days, 100 airdrops. Make sure to follow along Telegram if you want to participate in these quick and small airdrops. The total cost for this airdrop was less than $2 and it can give you around $100 to $200 if you follow along the steps and you collect beans. So even if you just log in daily, you will get some beans. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to hit the like button. That helps us a lot. Also comment down below if you want tutorial on any other airdrop, and share the video with all your friends because earning alone is not fun. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट नोक के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन ड्रगो मैं बैर निकटी चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा मौत कमिंग सून तेरे हूबहू रहते मेरे रूबरू छीनू तेरी रूह